Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasni subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublai pi baro kini kilong ki khubor bam dakasni. UMLA Congress nama hoti ba Charles Marngar ulawan ra e ka jingkali ha kasni bakat du jong kador bar mangtingka halor ka jingdon ki kam nonghikai SSE badang thalli hadu menta. Na kaliang umentri ketenat puli puthi rakam esangma ula pentip hayung darbar thau an bagadan palat syahajar rus pa atli ki kam nonghikai ki balaj ha ki skul bapher jong ka jilla. Shishu hadu sauspa arpau teliki kam nonghikai SSE balaj bat syahajar arspa khat khandai teliki kam nonghikai jongki skul sorkar ki badai banthung. Kakam bathali jongki nonghikai SSE ya kabapya hagilai benta bakenthum ya ka lower primary shispa ar upper primary arspa khandai puar bat ka secondary arpnriu. Kat bagi kam hikai hagi skul sorkar ki dei ki belapya hagi sau benta kata ka lower primary syahajar ar upper primary Southway secondary Shispa Arpusan barka higher secondary Sanpway yathu urakam e sangma.
Charles Marngar, your supplementary please.
Yes, sir. Mr. Speaker, sir, yes, we had a discussion yesterday also regarding this matter. But, sir, when we look at the answer replied by our Honorable Minister, it is a huge number of vacant posts. The total vacancies of SSA is 420 and the vacant posts of government teachers is 1,200. May I know from the Honorable Minister in charge, Education, for those vacancies of SSA and government teachers, the officiating teachers was appointed or not for the last 2-3 years?
Sir, with respect to government secondary and higher secondary, so there are a number of teachers already engaged on temporary basis. But sir, for LP school, government LP school, except the increase of division, so last 1 year, almost 2 years, we have not engaged in a temporary appointment. But sir, just to as a temporary arrangement, because of all the complexity, till the proper recruitment process is completed, government has decided to send temporary teacher to all these 1,200 schools immediately. Sir.
One more supplementary question, sir. As per my information, sir, this matter has been pending for the last 2-3 years. It's happened in my district, Riboy district also. So may I know from the Honorable Minister in charge of education, when will the government of Meghalaya and the Education Department will conduct interview for the SSA teachers and also for the government teachers in our state?
Sir, Speaker, so with regards to SSA, as the number of schools that has been detected having very low enrollment. So there are schools, there are 903 number of schools having enrollment less than 20 number. There are 45 number of lower primary school having single digit number of enrollment of students, and in the lower primary, and 62 upper primary schools having a single digit enrollment, and the number of schools having zero enrollment. So the process of rationalization is on, And so with respect to the government LP school teachers vacancies, due to Honorable Court order for roster system implementation, so the process has been delayed, but department is on the job. And when the things will complete it, we will put up advertisement and proper recruitment will be happen immediately, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, yes, we know that there are many schools which have less enrollment. But, sir, for those schools who have good enrollments, I suggest the government of the day, especially the education department, to speed up this matter at the earliest possible, sir. Thank you.
Yes, sir, the matter will be examined, sir.